We're finally here sa Shawnder. Yan. Yan. Alam nyo, matagal na namin gustong itry dito. Pero lagi siyang maraming tao. Pero ngayon, marami pa rin siyang tao. Pero hindi na kasing dami nung dati. Like, super haba ng pila. Ngayon, puno pa rin siya. Pero makakanap ka na ng uupuan mo. So, we'll see kung worth the hype. Let's go! We will get the chicken shawarma legendary solo and one beef shawarma legendary solo. That one is 380 pesos. Check out. Ayun, grabe, ang galing. Kita kasi dito kung paano ginagawa yung shawarma. Oh, wow. Tingnan natin kung sulit yung how much yung babayaran natin. Parang kasing pumapatak siya ng nasa 200 pesos per meal. So, we'll see if it's worth it. Medyo malaki pala siya. I'm not sure kung mauubos natin to kasi medyo small yung appetite namin lalo na kapag kagabi. Okay, so we ordered 2 different flavors, beef, and then pinakat namin siya sa middle kasi we're not sure kung mauubos namin kasi medyo malaki siya. Okay, so we will finish the food first and we will give our thoughts later. No, babe, no? Later.
Ang overall rating ko is 8/10. The chicken, tsaka yung beef, solid to 200. Punong-puno yung, hindi siya tinipid, walang extender.
Ay, yung overall rating ko, for me personally, 7/10. Siguro lang, masyado lang naging mataas yung expectation ko dito. Since simula nang nag-soft opening to, sobrang haba talaga siya ng pila. I'm not saying it's not good, but what I'm saying is, it's not the best shawarma that I've tasted. Pero masarap siya. And yung favorite ko between beef or chicken, I like the chicken better kasi yung chicken mas creamy and yung beef masarap din. Pero opinion ko lang na mas creamy yung chicken. Will I go back? The answer is yes kasi marami pa silang mga pwede namin i-try sa menu eh. And yung rating ko naman is just for the shawarma alone. So yes, itatry pa namin yung mga ibang pwede nilang i-offer dito. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. Thank you so much po sa pagsama sa amin and until our next food trip. Bye!